Welcome to eBooks for Fashion podcast, the fashion marketing podcast that will help you to start or to grow your fashion business today. Want to learn more? Visit our website ebooksforfashion.com where you will find lots of free resources for your fashion business. Thanks for listening. Episode 153. Learn how to start a clothing line or a fashion business in 2022. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Fashion Marketing Podcast, a podcast by ebooksforfashion.com. I'm Maristella and I'm your host here at the Fashion Marketing Podcast. So today I really want to start with you with a really super important topic about starting a clothing line or a fashion business in 2022. So this podcast is for you, this episode is for you if you want to know why and how to start a clothing line or a fashion business in 2022. You want to know how to attract the right dream customers. Knowing deeply who your dream customers are changes absolutely everything. You want to learn how to create a clothing line or a fashion products or services that your customers will love. Or you want to learn to grow and scale your brand with a business plan. But before diving into this amazing episode, I want to introduce you my new ebook and workshop about how to start a clothing line or a fashion business. You can check the new ebook and workshop at fashionclasses.net/ebook. The Quick Start Guide, How to Start a Clothing Line or a Fashion Business, which became a very big bestseller in the last 2 years, will help you to start your clothing line, jewelry line, or any kind of fashion business in the next 90 days. And there are lots of bonuses inside. You can check this new ebook and workshop Quick Start Guide from the link in the show notes. Why must students go insane for this Quick Start Guide How to Start a Clothing Line or a Fashion Business ebook and workshop? Because this ultimate ebook and workshop will help you to get clear on what you want and how to turn your ideas into a profitable and sustainable fashion business in the next 90 days. You can order your copy and enroll in our ebook and workshop from the link in the show notes. There are lots of testimonials also of students that they already bought it, like one that we love to mention, that she is a trend jewelry maker, and she told us that this ebook and workshop is amazing and made her to start her clothing line very quick, very easily. Also, if you want to learn more about our ebooks and online courses, you can check our website, our online school, fashionmarketing.biz. And you can find all our ebooks and certified online courses about starting and growing your fashion business. So now let's dive in. I have created for you 5 steps to start a clothing line or a fashion business in 2022. First, why do you want to start a fashion business? Second step, for who do you want to start a fashion business? Third step, which kind of problems are you solving? Which needs are you satisfying? Or which benefits are you giving with your offer? Fourth, which plans for your fashion business do you have? Fifth, where and how are you going to sell your fashion products or services? So let's try to answer all these 5 questions together. Step 1. Why start a fashion business? Do I really want to start a fashion business? These are 2 very important questions you should ask yourself before starting any kind of business in fashion. Which is the main reason why do you want to start a fashion business? Money, being your own boss, freedom of working and creating something you love, other reasons. Building a business in fashion could take years and years, sometimes more than 5 years, to start to break even. So make sure to know exactly your why, because you will need to put lots of effort and energy in it. Be prepared to work many hours in it without having time for anything else, especially at the beginning. Your business is like your child. You need to take care of it 24 hours, 7 days on 7 days. If you want to learn more about your why, you can check our blog post on our website, because there are also other podcast episodes mentioned in it, and you can also watch some short videos, very helpful for you. You can check the link in the show notes, which is ebooksforfashion.teachable.com/blog and /267829/learn how to start a fashion business in 2022. You can check the link in the show notes, which is easier for you. Step 2. For who do you want to start a fashion business? Who is your ideal client? Knowing deeply who your dream customer is changes everything. I have tried that directly in my jewelry business, Made in Art, and in my coaching consultancy business, eBooks for Fashion, and I know for sure that knowing your dream customer at a very deep level is the best thing you can do, even before starting a business, a new project, or also to grow faster your fashion business. Never matter if you are a product or a service-based business in fashion. First of all, think who you are creating, for who you are creating a product or a service, so you can speak your dream customer's language. You can start building a relationship with him or her, and you will not waste your time in places, real or virtual, where you won't find her or him. I have created 5 easy steps to attract your dream customer in your fashion business. So let's start with the 5 easy steps to attract your dream customer, your fashion business. First, visualize also physically your target customer. Is your dream customer a female or a male? How he or she is physically? Is he thin, fat, tall? Or if you want, you can try to describe how he or she looks like. What's her or his age? Which nationality? Where does she or he live? Try to be very specific. For example, she lives in a urban center like a big city or in a small town. Think about your target customer's lifestyle. What is her or his profession? Which income? Is she or he single, married, kids? What does she or he like to do in spare time? Hobby? Which kind of books does she or he read? Which kind of magazine does he subscribe? Does she or he watch TV or listen to the radio? Which show? Which kind of music does he listen to? Does she or he go to the cinema? Which kind of movies? Does she or he hang out in clubs, bar, etc.? Does she or he like to travel and where? What does she or he like to eat? Describe your target customer's personal style as well. Which kind of clothing, accessory, brands does she or he like to wear? What do you think does she or he spend on a purchase of those brands? How much does she or he spend on fashion monthly? What is her or his fear, challenge, frustration, problems? What is very important for her or him in life? What are her or his goals and priorities? What does she need right now in life? What makes she or he happy? Is she or he shopping online or in physical stores? Describe where you can find your target customer online. Which kind of social media is she or he using? Be very specific. For example, which kind of Facebook group does she or he hang out? Who is she or he following on social media? Where does she get information where your dream customer is in search mode? Is he using first Google to find something easily online? What is her or his preferred form of communication? Text, tweet, phone calls, email, Facebook posts, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, with any kind of social media. What phrases and exact language does she or he use? Think about how a day in your target customer's life look like. For example, what time does she or he get up in the morning? What time does she finishing working? More you are specific, deeper you know your dream customer and better results you will get. Step number 3. Which kind of problems are you solving? Which needs are you satisfying? Or which benefits are you giving with your offer? How do you earn the money in your fashion business? If you don't understand how do you get the money from, growing your fashion business will be always a challenge. What I mean with that, you must know very deep the way you earn the money in your business. And the only way you can earn money is solving a problem for your dream customers. More problems you are solving for your dream customers with your offer, more money you'll earn. Does it make sense? That's why you should really know very well what problems are you solving for your dream customers and which kind of solution you can provide for them. In this way, you are not selling anything, but you are helping people with your offer that can give them benefits and satisfy their needs and secret desires. Which problems are you solving with your fashion products or services? Which benefits are you offering to your dream customers? What are your dream customers' secret desires and needs? Answering to those powerful questions about that I said before, you'll understand exactly how you can earn more money in your fashion business. And now, step number 4. Which plans for your fashion business do you have? Business plan? Do you really need one? The answer is yes, my dear fashionistas, and there are more than one reason why you need one for your fashion business. Actually, I've analyzed 5 reasons why you need a business plan for your fashion business, and you can also listen to them. And you can also read from my blog post in the link in the show notes. 5 reasons why you need a business plan for your fashion business. A business plan helps you to make decisions in your business. If you have not decided which kind of products you want to sell, at what price point in your fashion business, it will help you to identify this vital and valuable information and the way to proceed. A business plan can be a reality check and keep your fashion business healthy. Fashion entrepreneurs most of the time are creative people, so they have so many ideas, but they don't know how to turn those ideas into reality. In this way, sometimes they lose their control of the reality and they only dream without knowing if their ideas can be developed and can be turned in a real business. So it can bolster the fashion entrepreneur's chance of success before he or she invests time and money in a business that it is likely to fail. A business plan can give you new ideas for your fashion business. It is a flexible, growing, and dynamic tool that can help you think creatively and come up with new solutions for some of your toughest fashion business challenges. It can help you to think different or outside the box for your business in fashion. A business plan helps you to take actions. It helps you outline action items, next steps, and future activities. You are creating a living, breathing document that not only outlines where you are and where you want to be, but also gives you the direction you need to get there. It's your secret map to follow to know where you are going in your fashion business and which directions to take. A business plan is a must-have tool if you need to approach a financial institution or a loan, or to contact investors and business partners, potential investors and supporters that want to see the true potential of your business idea through a written document, numbers and hard facts about your fashion business. If you want to learn about a business plan, you can also check our ebook about creating a business plan, and you can check from ebooksforfashion.teachable.com. Step number 5. Where and how are you going to sell your fashion products or services? Are you going to sell online, offline, or both? You should make money while you sleep. I'm not joking, but for small fashion businesses like us, I honestly think you should be able to make your fashion business working even if you cannot work. I'm going to explain you this further. You should definitely create many different types of passive income, which means that your fashion company can go on without you. For example, if you are a fashion designer or a jewelry designer, you should create ebooks or online courses teaching your audience what you are expert in. If you are an image consultant, you can definitely create an online course about how to improve your audience wardrobe and image. If you want to learn more, you can also check from the link in the show notes the link to the blog article about this podcast episode, because there are also many videos where I explain very well how to create multiple sources of income in your fashion business. And now it's your turn. Are you ready to start your clothing line or fashion business in 2022? If you are ready, you can check my ebook and workshop, Start a Clothing Line or a Fashion Business ebook and workshop, and we definitely guarantee it. Start your fashion business and create the life of your dreams. That's right, we are so confident because you love our quick start guide that if for whatever reason you are not completely satisfied, we'll offer you a specially mentoring session to help you starting your business in fashion. So please check all the links from the show notes, and if you have any question, as usual, you can always send me a message here on the podcast, a voice message if you prefer, or you can reach out to me on all my social media, like my Instagram profile, ebooks for fashion, or you can send me an email to ebooksforfashion@gmail.com. I hope you enjoyed this episode because we really think that it's very, very powerful, and it helped to describe how you can learn your fashion business, how you can learn about starting your fashion business in 2022. So, thank you so much for listening, and talk to you very soon. Bye for now.